So I thought I'd just do a quick video on testing out the caps that I take out of radios. So these caps here are from the last two radios I did. So this is from a Cobra 29 LTD in that unit in Trucker. So these are going to range from, I don't know, 30, 40-year-old caps, somewhere around there. The gray ones are going to be a little bit older. The blue ones are going to be a little bit newer. But we as techs we always say recap, recap, recap. But let's actually put this theory to the test. Why don't we just grab some caps and test capacitance at least? So this isn't going to test ESR. I guess I could just grab this component tester here, and we can do ESR tests. That's dead, but for the sake of this, I just wanted to see if we actually lose capacitance. I mean, ESR is also an important thing to know, but let's see if at least on the capacitance side, let's see if if we're losing any, or if some of these are spot on. So let's just grab a couple of random ones. So this is 1,000 microfarad. The voltage really doesn't matter, but that's 1,000 microfarad. Let's see what we have. It takes a few seconds for it to charge up, something like 1,000 microfarad. Alright, so this one's showing 1158, so 1,158 microfarads. So let's that one actually tested okay. Let's do this one. This is a 470 microfarad, 25 volt. Actually reading above 574. Great, this thing's gonna make us look like liars. We're just trying to sell you guys caps, apparently. This is what? This is another 1,000, 25 volt. Probably have elevator music playing. Alright. Looks like, I mean, it's a little bit below, but hold on here. Reconnect this. It was showing just a little bit below. Yeah, 963. I mean, it's a little bit below, but still not. I wouldn't say that that's completely bad. What's this one? This is a 470. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's damn glare. 470 microfarad. All right. Let me move this more over so you guys can see it. That's a 470. Is this one dead? Maybe this. Wow. So this one's really lost its capacitance. Wow. Let's do this again. All right. 0. Neat. Yeah. Wow. All right. Finally, some proof. Yeah, this is supposed to be 470. Okay. I don't know. What's this one? This is a 220. 220. Let's see. Let's read more. It's another 470. 6.3 volt. Not sure why this clip here is not. Whatever. It is what it is. Should be 470. Yeah, another bad one. Yeah, 135, 136. 136 microfarad. This is dead. Yeah, be 470. All right. What's this one? Another 470. $488. What else we got here? This is 100 microfarad. Let's see. Yeah, auto shut off. Yeah, another bad one. Not even 40 microfarads. So let's do one of the little ones here. What's this? Oh geez, I can't even read that. This is 4.7. Man, do I hate the 4.7s. You got the 0.47, 4.7, 47. So many. You got to really look. Oh. So stupid. Auto shut off. If you're using the thing, it should have a sensor that'll should keep it going. Anyway. Should be 4.7. Is it dead? These don't take long to charge, these little capacitors. Oh, there we go. Oh, looks like it's 3.12. Oh, what's going on here? Well, looks like this one's completely dead. This one's dead. Not even showing any capacitance. 4.7, 25 volt. All right, we'll do one more, so we don't make this long, drawn-out, boring video more than already is. Let's do, what's this? This is a 47. 10 volt. All right. 47, 10 volt. $49 microfarads. All right, this one ended up being okay. Well, anyway, you guys kind of get the idea. There was some pretty bad. I mean, this thing here was not even close, and we had a dead. This one here was completely dead. I'm not even showing any capacitance on this 4.7. So, yeah, I mean, are they all going to be bad? No, they're not all going to be bad. Again, we're not even testing ESR, so that's another thing to worry about. But just worrying about capacitance, you can see that it's kind of hit or miss. So what are you going to do? Are you going to, you know, take each one out at a time and test it and put it back in? And, you know, it's not worth it. So the best thing to do is when you have caps this old, when you have a radio that old, you know, 30, 40, you know, plus years, just recap the whole thing. This is kind of proof here of that, you know. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching.